How to fix Hunter fan remote not working. Step 1. Replace the batteries. Open the battery compartment on the back of the remote and install fresh batteries. Make sure they're inserted according to the positive and negative markings. Then point the remote toward the fan and try the fan, speed, or light buttons. Hunter lists fresh batteries as the first troubleshooting step for a non-working remote. Step 2. Make sure the fan has power. Check that the wall switch controlling the fan is on. If the fan still doesn't respond, check the circuit breaker. If your fan has pull chains, make sure the fan is switched on as well. Hunter specifically recommends checking the wall switch, pull chain, and breaker when troubleshooting a fan. Step 3. Repair the remote. If the batteries are good but the remote still doesn't work, it may have become unpaired from the receiver. The exact pairing procedure depends on your Hunter remote model. For many Hunter remotes, turn the fan's power off using the wall switch or breaker. Wait at least 10 seconds, turn the power back on, and within 3 minutes use the pairing button or the appropriate button combination on your remote. Step 4. Try the remote. After pairing, try power, fan speed, and light. If the fan responds, the remote is working again. If it still doesn't work, Hunter recommends turning the fan's power off at the circuit breaker before accessing the receiver in the fan's mounting bracket. If you're not comfortable accessing electrical wiring, don't open the canopy. Hunter recommends using a qualified technician when you're uncomfortable working with the wiring. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.